My name is Charlie McCoy. I'm the founder of Artisan Barber, and today we're giving you a review of the Andis Cordless Lithium-Ion Clipper. Now this clipper has 90 minutes of runtime, a powerful motor that won't drag or stall, carbon steel cutting blades, and it's cordless.
So I am using the Andis Masters, the wireless version. Now I'm typically using, I use Masters all the time. They're my, I use them daily, but mine are corded, so it's just a little bit different. And I like it a lot because it's really super lightweight. Like if you're familiar with Master clippers, they tend to be like really heavy. But these are really, really super lightweight and just kind of glide through the hair. I feel like my time would be cut in half just because you're not having to pass over so many the same spot over and over again. I feel like you're cutting down on time. So they just cut really well the first time.